Dirk, your book of the month.
Yes, my book of the month is called Obliquity by John Kay, and the subtitle is Why Our Goals Are Best Achieved Indirectly. Now, John Kay is a professor at London School of Economics, and he may be known to most of you as a columnist for the Financial Times. Now, this book is very much in the tradition of The Black Swan and Fooled by Randomness, and it's basically about decision making and decision taking. And the interesting thing is that his main point is that the world is too complex for direct decision making, and that most of the times you come to a good decision not by connecting A to B with the smallest line, but using bypasses. So he says that the direct approach of problem solving only works if you know the solution beforehand, which is true. So what he's basically saying is that straightforward thinking only works for easy problems, and the problems we are currently faced with and the problems you are traditionally encountering in business are far too complex. So this is a book which is a plea for what's called serendipity, that you actually, if you look for a solution, you come to a solution of not the problem you were looking for, but a different problem. And he has loads of examples. The example I like best is the way he describes how Brunelleschi, the famous Italian architect, draw the dome in Florence. So nobody knew how to make this egg-shaped dome-like thing, and he was the one who introduced perspective into drawing. Now that was very special, because before then we were just drawing as we thought things were, but introducing perspective in architecture was not so much how things are, but how we see it, which is not a linear way of looking at things, but a way looking or using bypasses. So the book is not strong, is not always that strong. Some of the examples are a little bit far-fetched, but what I like about the book is the fact that it makes you indeed realize that the best solutions are often found accidentally and not when you were looking for them.